Hello! Sorry, I had to do that. Spider-Man head zone. Hi, Purp here. A little bit different of a video for you today. I'm going to be fixing something my fat ass broke. I have a pair of rocket trousers that I managed to obliterate with my fat ass. We're going to get rid of some of these things. No, not focusing. Oh well. The plastic D-rings. They can get in the bin. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. The audio is a little bit funky. I apologise. Tried my best to get rid of it, but there's only so much you can do with crap. I probably sound muffled as shit right now. Anyway, here's the bikey intro bit. Right, so what we're going to need for this is some bending apparatus, your mankiest pair of pliers that you can find, and some more bending apparatus. The reason I brought this in is purely to show you a different way of doing it. And we're going to need some D-rings. They didn't even go in the frame. Look, little D-rings. Make your own jokes about D's, yes. I know it's coming, you lot. And the offending article of clothing. Here's where my fat ass broke it. You see the problem here? Plastic fucking D-rings. Right, so now we've got all the stuff here, what we're going to do is put these in here. Pretty self-explanatory. But first what you want to do is take your frustration out on these things. And then, this is what I mean by these things. They're so useful. And then your fat ass just... Why are these so fucking resilient now that I'm actually trying to break them? My fat ass didn't put anywhere near this effort into breaking them. Okay, we're getting the manky ones out. Oh, crunch. That's essentially what my fat ass did to it. Broke it. In the middle of fucking college as well. So, you know what they'll run? And fucking chuck them, because they're useless. Don't just piss off without it. But if there's any lesson to be told, carry a couple of these sort of split rings with you anytime. So handy. Like just in case your key ring breaks or something. Fucking break, you cock. Why is it when I'm trying to break something it doesn't break? But when I'm not, it breaks instantly. There we go. Oh, Clover singing the songs of the people. I don't know if you can hear her or not. She's making noise. Probably shouldn't have went in with us with gloves on. It makes it a little bit harder. When have I ever been known for doing things the easy way? And finally, 3 we fucking go. Did I? No. There we go. Number 4 off. That's 5. No, that's 4. There we go. I can count. Right, what we want to do with these bad boys is grab a D, smash it in your pliers, grip it real fucking tight, and bend it that way. Oh, some of the coating came off. Look, I got shiny bits. Anyway, did you get that? It's that way. See, I've ripped the D. Oops. Loop it on. And close it up. I dropped my D. Right, just in case you didn't catch that, you want to pop it in your pliers like so, and like so, and bend it that way, so that it's open in a sort of S shape. Otherwise you'll deform the living shit out of it. And again, the opposite to close it up. Right, just gotta do that another 2 times, and then job's a good one. Right, so that's today's video. It's been completely fucking different. I haven't been on a bike or anything. It's barely bike related. Anyway, as I said, I haven't said this yet. What the fuck am I on about? Anyway, I'll put these on in a minute. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. I haven't really done much. I haven't even swore at anyone. But anyway, yeah. Plastic D-rings can fuck... No, that's not fucking off. They can get in the bin. They're useless. I've been the Purp. Thanks for watching. I hope this was at least useful in some way or form. I'll talk to you in the next one.